What is one task related to cell organelles? A. Tabulating 5 and their function. B. Measuring their size. C. Identifying their location. D. Drawing them. The correct answer is A. Tabulating 5 and their function. What is the primary function of the high-frequency sounds produced by bats? A. To deter predators. B. To bounce off objects and return to the bat. C. To warm their surroundings. D. To attract mates. The correct answer is B. To bounce off objects and return to the bat. What are the two main sects that formed from Muhammad's followers? A. Mecca and Hijra. B. Arabs and Muslims. C. Madinatun and Yathrib. D. Sunnis and Shias. The correct answer is D. Sunnis and Shias. Which type of surface results in light rays reflecting at different angles? A. A polished surface. B. An irregular surface. C. A transparent surface. D. A perfectly flat surface. The correct answer is B. An irregular surface. Which muscles are responsible for giving humans goosebumps? A. Muscles in the upper arm. B. Muscles in the eye. C. Muscles in the lower limb. D. Muscles in the root of the hair. The correct answer is D. Muscles in the root of the hair. The rise of towns and cities was paved by the way for what? A. Decreased craft production. B. Trading and exchange centers. C. Decline in knowledge of iron. D. Reduced agrarian surplus. The correct answer is B. Trading and exchange centers. What is the modern name for Patliputra? A. Sarnath. B. Patna. C. Rajgir. D. Odisha. The correct answer is B. Patna. What is the dominant phase of bryophytes? A. Gametophyte. B. Diploid. C. Sporophyte. D. Zoospore. The correct answer is C. Sporophyte. Why should the mass be accurately measured in a chemical reaction? A. To calculate volume. B. To determine pressure change. C. To verify conservation of matter. D. To confirm energy change. The correct answer is C. To verify conservation of matter. The text mentions the maintenance of a constant number of chromosomes in a given species as a significance of what? A. Genetic mutation. B. Cytokinesis. C. Mitotic division. D. Meiotic division. The correct answer is D. Meiotic division. What are two ways in which gradation takes place? A. Weathering and mass wasting. B. Degradation and aggradation. C. Transportation and sedimentation. D. Erosion and deposition. The correct answer is B. Degradation and aggradation. What characteristic is commonly associated with substances that taste sour? A. They are neutral. B. They are acidic. C. They are alkaline. D. They are basic. The correct answer is B. They are acidic. What concept involving Ayal, Isai, and Natkam was developed by people of the Sangam age? A. Kutu. B. Muthmija. C. Kalangarai Langusudar. D. S. Hisaivillavan. The correct answer is B. Muthmija. Which structure is mentioned as being surrounded by a plasma membrane and cell wall? A. Mitochondrion. B. Lysosome. C. Centriole. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is A. Mitochondrion. What body of water is marked near Selur Nagar? 8. Kanmai. B. Lake. C. Pond. D. River. The correct answer is A. Kanmai. What architectural feature was commonly added to temples between the 15th and 17th centuries? A. Glass domes. B. Ornamental pillars. C. Concrete facades. D. Steel frames. The correct answer is B. Ornamental pillars. How was cheaper farm credit disbursed to farmers? A. Through private lenders. B. Through commercial banks. C. Through government grants. D. Through cooperative banks and societies. The correct answer is D. Through cooperative banks and societies. When did the Local Self-Governments Act come into force? A. 1957. Born in 1937. Circa 1986. D. 1935. The correct answer is born in 1937. What did the expansion of trade and economy during the Chola period lead to? A. Decrease in population. B. Decline of cities. C. Ruralization. D. Urbanization. The correct answer is D. Urbanization. Who is listed as a technical project consultant for TNMS Samagra Shiksha? A. R. Arun Maruthi Selvan. B. K.P. Satyanarayana. C. Ramesh Munisamy. D. P. Chinadurai. The correct answer is A. R. Arun Maruthi Selvan. What is considered extremely important in a representative democracy? A. Judicial reviews. B. Elections. C. Party manifestos. D. Public debates. The correct answer is B. Elections. What type of mountains are the young folded mountains in the western part of the continent? A. Block mountains. B. Dome mountains. C. Folded mountains. D. Volcanic mountains. The correct answer is C. Folded mountains. What is the formula for centripetal force, F? A. F is equal to mv to r. B. F is equal to mvr. C. F is equal to m plus v to r. D. F is equal to Mr. V2. The correct answer is A. F is equal to mv to r. Which languages was Ayotthasa fluent in? A. French, German, Spanish, Latin. B. Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. C. Tamil, English, Sanskrit, Pali. D. Arabic, Persian, Urdu, Bengali. The correct answer is C. Tamil, English, Sanskrit, Pali. What did Roman ships use to cross the Western Sea and connect Tamilgam with the Western world? A. Sails exclusively. B. Oars. C. Monsoon winds. D. Star navigation. The correct answer is C. Monsoon winds. Which type of threat might take place over a longer sustained period? A. Flooding. B. Volcanic eruptions. C. Tornadoes. D. Ground shaking. The correct answer is A. Flooding. What are the end products of aerobic respiration? A. Carbon dioxide and water. B. Oxygen and glucose. C. Carbon dioxide and ethanol. D. Lactic acid and water. The correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide and water. What percentage of the atmosphere is occupied by argon? A. 0.93%. B. 0.0018%. C. 0.03%. D. 0.00006%. The correct answer is A. 0.93%. What scale is mentioned in relation to potentially human carelessness or other causal factors? A. Beaufort scale. B. Kelvin scale. C. Richter scale. D. Mohs scale. The correct answer is C. Richter scale. Which of the following is listed as a factor responsible for urbanization? A. Increased natural disasters. B. Better employment opportunities. C. Limited transport infrastructure. D. Decreased educational facilities. The correct answer is B. Better employment opportunities. How did you score?